Welcome. Let's have a kind of discussion where we'll be discussing about VLOOKUP. In this case, very specifically, we'll be discussing to find the second match. We've got here, for instance, this name, Salim. But Salim appears more than one times. The first incidence, the second incidence, the third one, and the fourth one. Now, our concern is, with the first incidence, first course attended was Microsoft Word. But we want here, in the second course, it should be Microsoft Publisher. Let's remind ourselves with the first normal VLOOKUP for the first match. Equal sign, VLOOKUP value, this one, comma, table array, specify this one, highlight this one, then you log with the dollar sign, then column index number, here, it should be, since this is column 1 and this is column 2, write 2, and since we are looking for the exact match, these are the text, so we have tick for the exact match, then you write 0, then you close the bracket, then enter. So it's Microsoft Word, it's Word, this one. But if we apply the very same formula for the second match, like the lookup value, this one, table array, the same table array, then log for the column index number should be 2, this is column 1, this is column 2. Then for the exact match, 0, you close and enter. The very same thing reappears for the second course. But this was supposed to be publisher, if this is what the name. Now, what if we change the name to Juma? Juma was Excel, but the second was supposed to be database, but it is repeated the same Excel. Now let's change. Let's see the best alternative to find the second match by using VLOOKUP formula. The solution will be achieved if we incorporate the use of offset for the table array. Let's see. Let's remind ourselves for the offset. With the use of offset, let's say the lookup value, this one, comma. Now, we have to specify the table array by offset reference without highlighting it. Then we write offset. Then our reference, let it be here. Then to reach this table array, you follow the following step. The first one, how many rows to reach here? So you go one step. Columns, are we supposed to go somewhere else? We've reached our starting column in this one, so we don't have to move. 0. Height, these are 9. We write 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Comma, width column 1 and 2. Then the column index number, column 1, column 2. The kind of match should be the exact match, so write 0. Then you close the bracket one time. So we've got Excel. We found the first match by using the offset table array without highlighting it. So by the use of this one, we may reach the conclusion. Now, here, the solution was the formula should find the first match. We should find the first match. Then after reaching for the first match with this name, let's say this is Juma. After finding this Juma, so our table array, it should recalculate itself, whereby it should leave this first appearance out. So when it starts from here, it will be easy to locate the second match and find the second cause. How do we do it? Then the solution will be, if we want to edit this row whereby it should not start here, it should start after finding the first match, then this should be left out, then the second match should be within. So this is the only place where we are supposed to edit. How do we do it? The solution should be, what if we do this one? Do the matching. Match what? This one, table array, this one. Then the kind of a match should be the exact match, 0. So we are told in this part with matching, this is in the second row. This is in the second row. Now, simply we could do this way. What if we copy this one with +1? So we are told that if we want to leave this Juma out of the scope of our table array, we should start the third row. If it could be Salim, then we should start at the second row. So it starts from here. So if it is obtained another Salim, it will be this first Salim will be out of the table array. So this is, let's make it easy to see so that we edit our formula. So with this formula, this is starting area, we should edit as follows. Instead of writing 1, it should recalculate by itself the starting area by doing the following. Let's write this form. Match what? This F5, the area to match, this area, as I've written this way. The kind of match should be the exact match, 0. Then, after meeting this criteria, then you step one step ahead so that to leave the kind of match out. So, +1. Then, if you press enter, you will see that is starting with the second cause was publisher. The first cause was word, the second cause was publisher. Let's say it's Juma. With Juma, the first cause was Excel and the second cause was database. Let's change somebody else, Kylie. The first cause was PowerPoint and the second cause was networking. So this was the trick. The trick is using offset table reference, but with the row, the starting point, also you incorporate match formula, where when it reaches to the exact name where this name matches with this one, you +1 so that you go one step ahead so that the kind of match will be left out. And this is the technique to get the second match by using the Vlookup formula. It is as simple as such. Now I want to welcome you for the third matching for the next video. So you may subscribe so that when I post the video, you will get later. Thank you, and once more, welcome again.